couldn't get the Reaper through the grease clog. So I had to use a smaller one. What a mess. What a mess, man. Water's starting to get clear now, which is a good sign.